Jai Bhole guys, I hope everybody is doing well and are in best of health. Welcome to my channel Triambaka Tarot Readings. My name is Jasmine. Today's reading is going to be the usual stuff that I used to do where you have to ask a question in your mind and I'm going to answer it in a yes or no. Along with I've taken out the angel message today along with the energy that is surrounding you. So for today's choices, I think I should have taken out more cards. But let's make it a short and a sweet reading because I have to make another reading for Mercury retrograde. So please stay tuned after this. So today's choices we have, I think you can just expand the video for you to be able to see the crystals right in front of you. The first choice is citrine. The second pyramid is white agate. And the third pyramid is green aventurine. So just whatever attracts you in the first glance, please try to choose that one and that reading is going to be for you. Keep your questions ready because we're going to start shortly. So for the first group of people who have chosen the first pyramid as the choice of crystal, please put across a question in your mind and your answer is, I'm really sorry, it's not a very nice yes, it's a no. And the Tower card is here, which is kind of not nice. I mean, something is going to get disrupted in your life. It could be a commitment issue. If you're asking about that, you have given in all your love. You were just waiting for the results to come. You have not been sleeping well. But I'm sorry, the answer is a no. It's a point blank no. The energy that is surrounding you is try to take control of yourself. Your root chakra is going to cause you problems. Now, root chakra causing problems could be regarding health, something to do with your lower back, stomach issues, your legs. They can be a problem right now as far as health is concerned. Plus, try to stay in control of yourself. Try to be stable. Try to be grounded. If you're not able to do that, obviously, because the cards were not very pretty, I'm sure there's something to do with emotional backflash that you're handling right now. So all you can try to do is try to ground yourself, maybe take some spiritual help. This is not in the card, I'm just giving you an advice for someone who's not able to ground themselves well. Just take care of your emotional health right now more. Your angel message directly has come as perfect timing. Now, taking into consideration with your card coming a no as an answer, perfect timing simply means trust the heavens. The time is still not come for you to get the results. Perfect timing is yet to come. They always say that divine time is at play. So we just have to sit and wait for that. I'm sorry, your reading wasn't really good. I think I'll take out miracle message just as an inspiration. I had not intended of taking out another card, but anyhow. Miracle messages are given once you're really feeling down and your soul needs something to level up. There is always a solution of the highest good. Isn't that amazing? It's so relatable to your reading that has come. I hope you will consider this as a blessing card. Take care. Second group of people who have chosen white agate as the choice of crystal, please put your question in your mind and your answer is, I'm sorry, your answer is a no. There was a lot of ego, there's a lot of heartache, looking forward to what's going to happen. Maybe someone has been in double minds and not really sure of what's happening. Emotions are all over the place and probably you are reminiscing about the past as well. The answer is a no. The energy surrounding you is community. Clearly means if something is not working out, whatever question you have asked, it's time to spend time with your friends, your family members or your loved ones. Try to divert your energy more towards focusing on who is more trying to give in the relationship with you or values your time and you for that matter. So try to have a good time with your friends and forget about what's troubling you. And your angel messages come, communicate clearly. Obviously, as it says, whatever is happening in your situation, try to be more clear about your communication. As this is Mercury retrograde going, I think you people are kind of getting more suffering because of this time that is really on our heads, and it's going to last till 18th of October. So communication is the key in Mercury retrograde. It does go haywire. So try to say what you mean and mean what you say right now. It's going to help you. Let's take out a miracle message in the end, which is going to probably give you a boost to your soul. I release my need to be perfect and I center into my commitment to serve the world more love. This has got to do a lot with communication, emotional and literal. So I hope this made sense to you. Take care. Third group of people who have chosen this pyramid as a choice of crystal, please put a question in your mind to which I can answer you in a yes or a no. And thank God someone the answer has come yes, because the first two readings were a complete no. Your answer is a yes. You had to walk away from something which was not serving your purpose. You had to make a choice. But trust me, you've done the right thing. It's going to be good for your emotional happiness. And be committed to yourself and have that passion. Your answer is a yes. The energy that surrounds you is deceit. Probably you had been working really hard and you are a person who trusts everybody, but be careful of people who are wearing the cloak of friendship and really are not. The angel message for you has come of trust. Trust that your intuition is going to guide you. Trust that God is listening to you and He's going to guide you towards the right kind of people. But as they say, just be careful of the red flags. And if you're able to see the red flag, please walk away. Your miracle message for now is, I think I'll take this one. To travel further on my path of personal growth, I call upon my spiritual running buddies for help. Well, your running buddies spiritually are your intuition, your spirits, your guides, your angels around you. So this clearly says, follow your gut this time. It's going to guide you well. Today's reading was very short because I have to make a longer one now. So I thought I should be doing something to do with a yes or no. I hope it helped you and you liked it. And if you did, please do hit the like button and help me get more likes. So up till next video, take care of yourself. Jai Bhole.